urgent, serious tone. Modern healthcare is currently struggling to keep pace with global demand. Right now, diagnostic errors affect roughly 40 million patients worldwide every year, largely because the medical systems designed to heal them are severely overloaded. Much of this strain is driven by what clinicians call pajama time. These are the hours spent at home, long after a shift ends, typing up administrative charts. This relentless documentation load is the primary driver of clinician burnout and is actively forcing medical professionals to leave the workforce. The first generation of AI intended to fix this was limited in scope. These early, narrow AI tools were designed to perform one specific task, such as scanning a chest X-ray to spot a single lung nodule. In practice, these tools often created more work than they saved. High false positive rates meant that instead of providing clarity, they buried doctors in a constant barrage of warnings. This resulted in alert fatigue, where the sheer volume of notifications obscured genuine risks. Escaping this cycle required a change in how AI is built, shifting from these narrow, task-specific algorithms toward multimodal foundation models. These models are designed to understand the full clinical context. By evolving from an algorithm that only identifies pixels to one that integrates data from across the entire medical system, these tools offer a way to address the systemic strain on modern medicine. The most immediate change is happening during the patient visit. Ambient AI scribing technology allows a secure system to listen to a patient-clinician conversation as it happens in real time. The AI instantly translates that natural dialogue into a structured, professional medical note draft. This allows the physician to focus on the person in front of them without ever touching a keyboard. At Vanderbilt University Medical Center, this graph's steady upward curve represents over 1,200 clinicians adopting the technology in 3 months, saving 6 minutes per encounter. Crucially, 65% reported reduced burnout, and over half became less likely to leave their organization. Removing the administrative friction of data entry is proving to be a highly effective strategy for preventing the mass exodus of medical professionals. At the diagnostic level, multimodal foundation models are moving beyond text. These systems process visual pixel data and textual clinical notes at the same time, merging them into a single analytical view. A clear example of this advanced triage in medical imaging is Occipit's ChestLink. ChestLink's accuracy is high enough that it has received regulatory approval to autonomously clear normal chest X-rays. If the AI doesn't find an abnormality, it reports the X-ray as normal without any human involvement. Cardiology is seeing a similar acceleration, with over 200 FDA-cleared AI algorithms now available to assist in heart health. This includes tools like the HeartFlow plaque analysis system. While traditional CT scans focus on calcium, this AI quantifies the total volume of coronary plaque inside a patient's arteries. In the DECIDE registry, providing doctors with these quantitative insights led to a change in medical management strategies for more than 50% of symptomatic patients. AI in radiology and cardiology has evolved into a proactive clinical tool that directly informs life-saving treatment decisions. This intelligence is also moving out of the hospital and into the patient's daily life, creating new ways to manage chronic disease. The National Institutes of Health is currently prioritizing diabetes precision health. Because diabetes is a highly heterogeneous disease that varies between individuals, managing it requires an analytical approach that can account for vast personal differences. This chart shows how AI analyzes data from continuous glucose monitors. By identifying these distinct cluster pathways, the AI can spot precise risk patterns that are often invisible to human review. We are also seeing AI integrated into wearables, like smart socks that measure foot temperature, to predict and prevent diabetic ulcers before they occur. This shift towards continuous predictive AI allows the medical system to move away from reacting to emergencies and focus on preventing them. AI is no longer a futuristic concept. It is becoming a foundational part of how medicine functions, from the exam room to home care. As these models take on a larger role in clinical care, they require strict global governance. Organizations like the World Health Organization have established guidelines to manage this partnership, emphasizing the need for data privacy, the mitigation of algorithmic bias, and continuous regulatory oversight. The underlying purpose of this technological leap is actually to increase the humanity in medicine. Delegating administrative data entry, complex image synthesis, and daily risk monitoring to AI provides a measurable boost to clinician well-being. Ultimately, the multimodal leap grants doctors the time and mental bandwidth to be truly present with their patients.